Yes, sir.
Okay. Is the document visible?
Yes, sir.
And tell me, have we finished the problem or we are halfway completed?
We finished one problem, sir.
Okay, I'd like to revise the things once. Okay, because some people not attended the class. Yes. Next. See, those who have not attended the last class or who have attended the class, all the students, please listen to me carefully for 2 minutes. I'll revise the things. What is Rolle's theorem? What is its geometrical interpretation and a problem? Okay, everything will be revised in 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll start a new problem. Please be careful, and I think you all have come to notice that the commencement of examinations are from Monday. Meeku telisinda? How many of you know that the exams?
Third another, sir.
Yeah, third. Sorry. From third onwards, right? So hardly we have 1 week of time. So we have to finish mean value theorems, and which is included in the part of syllabus for examination. Okay, and I'd like to mention one more thing. In the examination, in the midterm examination, you will be given 5 problems. Okay, and you have to answer 4 questions, and each carries 5 marks. Total 20 marks worth. Okay. మీరు 5 questions ఇస్తే 4 questions రాయాలి. Duration will be 2 hours. Out of 5 questions, you have to answer 4 questions. Each question may consist of AB bits. That is the pattern of the question pattern. Okay, is it clear? Am I clear? Please respond, anybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, first చూడండి Rolle's theorem ఏం చెప్తుంది? Mathematically, what the Rolle's theorem means and what is its geometrical representation. Let us see. First, according to rules, ఇవన్నీ మీరు రాసుకోవాల్సిన లేదమ్మా. Already we have taken it. Just listen. According to rules, if f of x is continuous and differentiable over closed interval AB into real numbers. Okay. Then there will be a C between A and B such that f dash C is equal to 0. This is what Rolle's theorem means mathematically. Mathematically, f of x continuous అయ్యి f of x కి derivatives exist అయితే దాన్ని డొమైన్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వల్ AB కోడొమైన్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా AB మధ్యలో ఒక C దొరుకుతుంది. You will find a C between A and B such that the derivative f of f at C will be equal to 0. Okay, it guarantees a number C between A and B such that the derivative of f of x at C will be equal to 0, provided that f is continuous and differentiable. That is what Rolle's mean value theorem. Now, let us see the geometrical interpretation. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. What do you mean by f of x is continuous over A and B? Tell me. Ever చెప్తారు? చెప్పాలి. F of x is continuous means what do you say graphically or geometrically? చెప్పాలి.
Curve has no break.
Very good. What is your roll number?
Sir, 10, sir.
10. Very good. చూడండి, continuous means from A to B, the curve flows without any breaks and gaps like this. Discontinuous అయితే it will be broken several times like this. See, what is the difference you are observing? Here, the graph is flowing without any breaks or gaps, but here it is broken 1 time, 2nd time, 3rd time. So this is discontinuous, this is continuous. Okay, now again, my question is, So we have a function f of x which is flowing continuously from A to B. Okay, let us draw the graph like this for your more immediate understanding. Say the curve is like this. Okay, like this. From A to B, this is B. Now, what do you mean by f of x is differentiable? Can anybody tell? F of x differentiable and argument?
The
Smoothness.
curve is continuous and does not have any sharp points.
Ah, yes. Differentiable means, see, I'm writing two kinds of curves. One is parabola and one is a curve like this. What is the difference? Both are continuous, but this curve is smooth, very smooth. The road is very smooth here. The surface of the curve is very smooth, but this is very sharp and spikes chala unnai. Ee road anta kuda very sharpened edges. It includes lot of sharpened edges. It's very sharpened, lot of spikes. Arthotunda deeni manam not differentiable antam. Deeni differentiable. Okay, that means derivative defines smoothness. Okay, so we have a function f of x which is continuous and differentiable from A to B. A నుంచి B దాకా కంటిన్యూస్ గా వెళ్తూనే ఉంది, ఎక్కడ ఆగట్లేదు, అలాగే స్మూత్ రోడ్ లా ఉంది. ఓకే, then it guarantees a C between A and B such that if you draw a tangent at C, sorry, here I was a little mistaken. Let me correct it. You will be able to find a number C. You will be able to find a number C such that if you draw a tangent at C, it will be parallel to x-axis. How could you say that? F dash C. F dash C and Edama. What is F dash C in terms of slope? In terms of tangent, how do you imagine? F dash C and ఏంటి? Slope at C.
Line is
slope.
parallel to x-axis, sir.
F dash C is equal to 0 ante slope is 0. Slope is 0 means the line is
parallel to x-axis.
That is what we are writing here. So what does Rolle says? If it is flowing continuously, if it is smooth as possible, then you will find a C between A and B such that the tangent at C will be parallel to x-axis. That is the meaning of Rolle's theorem. Okay, now I'll ask you a question. Just answer that. We'll proceed on to the problems. Chappadama. Now tell me the statement of Rolle's theorem. Anybody can unmute and tell me what do you mean by Rolle's theorem? Tell me first. Chappali.
When a function is continuous in a closed interval a comma b and is
Yes.
differentiable in open interval a comma b, and when
Okay.
f of a is equal to f of b, then derivative of
No. Who said f of a is equal to f of b?
Sir, then there exists a point C between A and B.
Yeah. F of a is equal to f of b. Very good. Yes, you reminded me at correct time. Did I mention it in the last class? Even in last class, f of a is equal to f of b. Cheppaleda?
only one time it was.
Oksare cheppana? Okay. Right. Sorry. Please, all of you, copy the things once again. Oksari malla raskondama Rolle's theorem. If f of x from closed interval a b to real numbers is such that ఇది రాసుకున్నాం, everybody copy it such that f is continuous. Everybody copy this first over closed interval a comma b. Second point, f is differentiable over open interval AB or closed interval AB, anything you can write. And third one, f of A is equal to f of B. All of you please copy this. Then there exists a number C between A and B such that f dash C is equal to 0. Sorry for the interruption. I forgot to mention one condition which she had made me to remind. Thanks for making me to remind. Yes, sir. One. Have you all copied this? Ema raskunnara idi? Fast ga raskundi. Have you all copied this? Please type copied in the chat box. Oksari.
Copied, sir.
Okay. Oksari chudamma, if f of x is such that f is continuous, f is differentiable, and f of A is equal to f of B, then there exists a number C between A and B such that f dash C is equal to 0. Okay. The meaning oksari chudamma, I forgot to mention one condition. Okay. So I am again rewinding it. Malla oksari cheptanu jagrata. See, we have two numbers A and B on real line. Okay. And f is continuous. Okay. And f is differentiable. And f of k is equal to f of b. See, I am drawing a curve like this. First tell me, this is f of x. First tell me, is f of x is continuous or not? Please tell me through your mic. F of x continuous or kada?
Continuous.
Continuous.
The example raskondi, continuous. Okay. And is differentiable or not?
Yes, sir.
Why? It is very smooth, right? Now, is f of A and f of B are at same level or not? Rendu kuda oke level lo unnaya leda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what f of A is equal to. అది నేను మర్చిపోయా చెప్పడం. ముందు కంటిన్యూస్ ఎక్కడ కూడా there are no breaks, no gaps. ఎక్కడ కూడా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చివరి దాకా ఎక్కడ గ్యాప్ లేకుండా బ్రేక్ లేకుండా కంటిన్యూస్ ఉంది. Differentiable, very smooth surface. And f of A is equal to f of B means the starting level is equal as ending level. అర్థమైందా? Then there exists a C. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఒక C దొరికిందా లేదా? ఇక్కడ మీరు టాంజెంట్ ఇస్తే is it parallel to x axis or not? చెప్పాలి. Is it parallel to x axis or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is what f dash C is equal to 0. F dash C means slope. Slope 0 means parallel to x axis. That is what Rolle's theorem. ఇది రాసుకోండి, మా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాసుకోండి. Please copy this diagram. Copy this diagram. Have you copied? Raskunara, please type copied if you have copied. Hello, students. Okay. ఎంతమంది రాసుకున్నారు డయాగ్రామ్? ఎంతమంది డ్రా చేసుకున్నారు? హ్యాండ్స్ రైజ్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఇఫ్ యు హావ్ డ్రాన్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. ప్లీజ్ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. హలో స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, రైట్. నౌ సో ఐ జస్ట్ రివైండ్ ద థింగ్స్ వన్స్. ఒకసారి చెప్పేసి ఫాస్ట్ గా ప్రాబ్లం లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతాను. If f is continuous from A to B, okay, f is continuous from A to B, and f is continuous from A to B, and the starting level is as same as ending level, then there exists a C, such that the tangent at C will be parallel to x-axis. That is what Rolle's theorem. Okay. Now, okay, plastics reduce mass and vibration in results, and the plastics are bad conductors. How? All of you used for making handles, used for all objectives. Most plastics are inflammable. Inflammable అంటే all of you take down this question again. Mama, mana raskulla question cancel chesi malla raskondi. And find large scale used in copy it first. What is the advantages of inhibitors for main use for industry, electrical industry, electrical industry maatame kuda use untadi. So plastics are resistant to chemicals. Ma, is it visible? CR 50.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay, all of you copy this question first. త్వరగా రాసుకోండి. Actually, we have done it, but please cancel it off, strike it off. Again, we'll redo it. Also, చేద్దాం. తొందర copy చేయండి. Please copy. Copy చేస్తున్నారా? So ఇలాంటి ఏవి కూడా అవసరం లేదు. ప్లాస్టిక్స్ ఆర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ టు కెమికల్స్ కూడా అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ plastics are clear and transparent, so they can be given beautiful colors. So ma, have you copied? Advantages of plastics in engineering materials. త్వరగా రాసుకోండి. Show that the Rolle's theorem is applicable for the function f of x is equal to e power minus sin x minus x sin x in the interval 0, pi. Emma raskunnara? How many of you copied the question? Please raise your hands. Question raskunnallu okkasari hands raise cheyandi please. Types of plastics. Piglnod fast ga raskondi. Copy it quick. One is the thermoplastics. Now I am moving to the whiteboard where I'll again solve the problem. Okay. Thermoplastics. Now all of you please cooperate with me by giving the answers. What is given f of x? What is the given f of x?
e power minus x sin x.
Okay. Now I am going to ask you a formula. Let me see who will answer first. What is UV rule?
U into V derivative plus V into U derivative.
Very good. U into V's derivative plus V into U's derivative. Huh? అంటే చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్స్ డెరివేటివ్ ప్లస్ సెకండ్ ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్. మన దగ్గర యూవి రెండు ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ ప్లస్ సెకండ్ ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఇస్ వాట్ యూవి. నౌ let us imagine this as u and this as v. Okay, so differentiate f of x with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate f of x with respect to x on both sides. Anangane f dash x is equal to first into second's derivative plus second into first derivative. Okay, చూడమ్మా, first into second's derivative plus second into first derivative. Okay, ఇప్పుడు what is sin x derivative? Tell me first, what is sin x derivative?
Cos x.
What is e power minus x derivative?
Minus e power minus x.
All of you please copy this. త్వరగా రాసుకోండి. Okay, thermoplastic material can be cooled and heated several minutes without any change in the chemical properties. అంటే thermoplastic advantage ఏంటి అంటే మనం హీట్ చేసేటప్పుడు అయినా కూల్ చేసేటప్పుడు అయినా ఎంత టైం తీసుకోవచ్చు. అప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే ఏమి చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ చేంజ్ అవ్వవు, ఫిజికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ చేంజ్ అవ్వవు, కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. ఓన్ కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ చేంజ్ అవ్వవు అండ్ మెకానికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ. మా హ్యావ్ యు కాపీడ్? This is the main advantage for thermoplastics. Okay na? The thermoplastics are needed to get melting point. Right. ఒకసారి చూడండి. I'll just explain it in a glance. This is f of x e power minus x into sin x. This is u. This is v. U into v's derivative plus v into u's derivative. అంటే e power minus x into sin x derivative plus sin x into e power minus x derivative. E power minus x into sin x derivative. చెప్పండి ఫాస్ట్ గా sin x derivative. కొన్ని డెరివేటివ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అడుగుతాను చెప్పాలి. sin x derivative.
Cos x.
Cos x derivative.
Minus sin
Minus
x.
sin
Minus
x.
sin x.
Exponent and derivative.
N into x power n minus.
N into x power n minus 1.
E power ax derivative. E power
A
ax.
into e power x.
A into e power
Ax.
ax. E power minus x derivative.
Minus e power minus.
Minus e power minus x.
Log x derivative.
1 by x.
1 by x.
Tan inverse x derivative.
1 by 1 plus x square.
Sin inverse x derivative.
1 by root of 1 minus x square.
ఓకే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి sin x డెరివేటివ్ చెప్పాలి. sin x డెరివేటివ్
Cos x.
Cos x.
e power minus x డెరివేటివ్.
Minus e power minus x.
సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చాం. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ మూవింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. సో we have to verify. First we have to check f of a is equal to f of b or not. First, what is given interval? What is given interval? Tell me. Question లో ఏ ఇంటర్వల్ ఇచ్చారు? 0,
0 to pi.
అనగానే a is equal to b is equal to
Pi.
remember always when interval is given, a is equal to starting, b is equal to ending. Okay, a is equal to 0, b is equal to pi. Okay, now what is f of a? f of 0 ఎంత చెప్పండి చెప్పాలి. f of 0 e power
0.
0 sir.
e power minus 0
Sin 0
Sin 0.
is equal to 0.
నేను అడిగిన అప్పుడే కాదు, నేను అడిగిన ఒకటి చెప్పాలి. sin 0
0 sir.
sin 30 sin 30
1 by 2.
sin 45
1
1 by root 2.
Root 2.
sin 60 sin
Root
60
3 by 2.
Root 3 by
sin 90
1.
1.
cos 0
1.
1
cos 30
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
cos 45
1 by root 2.
cos 60
1 by 2.
cos 90
0.
0 sir.
sin 0.
0.
0.
So answer is 0. Next, f of b. f of b means f of pi. అంటే e power minus pi sin pi. sin 180
0.
sin 180 and the 0. Very good.
0.
And what is cos 180?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 sir.
Minus
Very good. Minus 1. Okay. Sin 360?
0.
0 sir.
Cos 360?
1.
1 sir.
గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. sin 0 0 sin 91 sorry sin 91 okay sin 91 sin 180 0 sin 360 sin 360 is also 0 sin 270 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 అర్థమైందా 0 90 degrees 180 okay cos కు వచ్చేటప్పటికి cos 0 1 cos 90 0 cos 180 minus 1 cos 270 0 cos 360 1 అర్థమవుతుందా? So with that we got this. Now is f of a is equal to f of b or not? ఒప్పుకుంటారా ఒప్పుకోరా? f of a
Yes, sir.
f of b రెండు జీరోలే కదా. Therefore Rolle's conditions satisfied. And also Rolle's conditions satisfied. All of you copied fast. త్వరగా రాసుకోవాలి. త్వరగా కాపీ చేస్తారా? Fast copy gel, fast copy gel. Okay na? Right. చూడండి, this is A, this is B, and f of A e power minus 0 sin 0 sin 0 0. F of B e power minus pi sin 180 0. సో f of A 0, f of B 0. అంటే ఎక్కడైతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో అక్కడే ఎండ్ అవుతున్నాం. రెండు కూడా 0 దగ్గరే స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి, 0 దగ్గరే ఎండ్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ Rolle's condition. ఓకే, నౌ implies by Rolle's theorem, what happens? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి, by Rolle's theorem what exists?
C in between A and B.
There will be a C, a number C between A and B such that
F dash of C is equal to 0.
F dash C is equal to 0. అవునా? Please copy these two lines త్వరగా రాసుకోవాలి. By Rolle's theorem, there will be a number C between A and B such that F dash C is equal. తొందరగా రాసుకోండి, తొందరగా. ఇప్పుడు F dash C is equal to 0 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? What is F dash X? చెప్పాలి, ఎవరు చెప్తారు? Look into your notes and tell me what is F dash X.
E power minus x into cos x minus sin x.
Now boys tell me what is F dash C. Tell me, boys చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ చెప్పాలి F dash C.
e power minus c cos c minus sin.
E power minus C cos C minus sin C is equal to 0. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు నేనేం రాస్తున్నానంటే cos C minus sin C is equal to 0. That means I ignored e power minus C. Why? ఎందుకు?
Exponent can never be 0.
Very good. Exponential never becomes 0. Exponential value ఎప్పుడు 0 కాదు. Exponential never becomes 0. కాబట్టి the beside one అంటే ఈ పక్కన ఉన్నదే 0 అవ్వాలి. This thing only has to become 0. Okay. Product 0 means any one of them should be 0. Product 0 అయిందంటే at least one of them should be 0. But exponential never becomes 0. That is why this becomes 0. Okay. Now cos C is equal to sin C. Okay. That means C is equal to ఎవరు చెప్తారు ఫస్ట్?
pi by 4 sir.
ఎందుకు? Why?
Cos C equal to sin C equal to 1 by root 2 sir. At pi by 4.
Cos 45 1 by root 2 as well as sin 45
1 by root 2.
So both will meet at 45 degrees. Okay. So C is equal to pi by 4. తొందర రాసుకోండి. C is equal to pi by 4. Conclusion. Pi by 4 lies between 0 and pi. ఒప్పుకుంటారా? ఒప్పుకోరా? 45 degrees lies between 0 and 180. Do you agree or not? చెప్పండి. కాబట్టి Rolle's theorem satisfied. Finally, C value falls between A and B. That is what Rolle's theorem expects. That is happened. Okay, please copy this. త్వరగా రాసుకోండి. మరి రాసుకున్నారా? Have you copied it or not? Okay, have you copied? Please raise your hands or type in the chat box. They become stiff and hard. No change, no cooling. And cooling change and chemical nature also changes. Okay. Now, చూడండి, the procedure, I am summarizing the procedure of Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem procedure, if anybody asks you what is the procedure of Rolle's theorem verification, first step, you have to write, you have to calculate f dash x. First step ఏంటి, f dash x calculate చేయాలి. Second step, you have to write a value and b values from the data, a value and b value. Third step, verify whether f of a is equal to f of b or not. Fourth step, f dash c is equal to 0. Fifth step, find c value and check c belongs to open interval a and b or not. C, a, no. So everybody, please tell me how many steps are there. Please tell me how many steps are there in the procedure.
5.
Five. First step and first step.
f dash of x.
Second step.
A and B values.
Third step.
F of A is equal to F of B
Or not. Fourth step.
F dash of
From that you have to find.
C value and check
And
C
that
is
C should lie between
a and b.
A and B.
ఇప్పుడు చూడకుండా చెప్పండి, what is the first step? F dash x. Second step.
A and B value.
Third step.
F of A equal to F of B.
F of A is equal to F of B. Very good. Fourth step.
F dash C
F dash
equal
C
to 0.
Equal to 0.
Fifth step, finding C and checking whether it is lies in A and B or not. Okay, now I'll give a question. You have to solve it in 5 minutes. Yes, all of you try this question fast. Is it visible? My question కనిపిస్తుందా? This one.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ వెరిఫై అని రాసుకోండి. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 in the interval 1, 3. Please copy it first. The resins are soft, weak, and less brittle. The resins are usually hard, strong, tough, more brittle. And in the question, soft and weak and less brittle. Okay, have you copied? Have you copied or not?
Yes, sir.
How many of you copied? Please raise your hands. Another question last one. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 in the interval 1, 3. Please raise your hands. ఎంతమంది రాస్తున్నారు? Now all of you start solving the problem. మీకు కరెక్ట్ గా 5 minutes ఇస్తాను. బాయ్స్ ఫాస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారా, గర్ల్స్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారా? బాయ్స్ లో కూడా ఎవరు ఫాస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు? ఓకే, స్టెప్స్ ఇక్కడ క్లియర్. లెట్ మీ షేర్ ది థింగ్, వైట్ బోర్డ్. yes, f of x x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 1. నాకు f dash x ఎంత చెప్పాలి? ఫాస్ట్ 1 minute లో f dash x చెప్పాలి.
3x square minus 12x plus 11.
Yes, very good. 3x square minus 12x plus 11. Now, girls or boys, what are AB values?
1 and 3, sir.
AB values are 1, 3. Now find f of 1. F of 1 ఎంత చెప్పాలి తొందరగా?
0, sir.
Very good. Why? ఎందుకంటే మీరు 1 పెడితే 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 1. ఓకేనా? f of 3 ఎంత చెప్పండి? f of 3
0, sir.
why? 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 1, that is 9, 33 plus 27 ఎంత? sorry, 60 minus 60 answer. Okay, ఎంతమందికి వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ దాకా? ప్లీజ్ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. f dash x వాల్యూ, ab వాల్యూస్, f of a is equal to, ప్లీజ్ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్. దయచేసి ఎంతమందికి వస్తే అంతమంది దయచేసి హ్యాండ్స్. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, now all of you find f dash c is equal to 0. f dash c is equal to 0 ఎంతో చెప్పండి నాకు.
So
6 plus or minus root 3 by 3.
ఆహా, నాకు రూట్స్ కాదు, ఇది దీన్ని c రూపంలో చెప్పండి.
3c square
minus
12c.
Now use calculator and find out the roots. Use calc and roots. Roots చెప్పాలా తొందరగా.
6 plus or minus root 3 by 3.
6 plus or minus root 3 by 3. Very good.
Sir, by total 3, sir.
Whole by 3. Yes, 6 plus or minus root 3 by 3. మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఫాస్ట్ గా చేయాలి, ఫాస్ట్ గా. Okay. Now, how many of you got 6 plus or minus 3 by root 3? Please raise your hands. ఎంతమందికి వచ్చింది?
Plus or minus root 3 by 3, sir.
Sorry, root 3 by 3. ఎంతమందికి వచ్చింది? హ్యాండ్స్ రైజ్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఎంతమందికి వచ్చింది? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 6 by 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3 అంటే 2 plus or minus 1 by root 3 అంటే 2 plus or minus 1 by 1.73. Tell me what are the values. Tell me fast. Use your calculator and tell me the values. Boys or girls? Fast గా చెప్తున్నారు. Girls. Girls చెప్పాలి.
2.5, 1.5, sir.
2.55, 1.42. అది కరెక్ట్. 2.55, 1.42. ఓకేనా? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ కాపీ దిస్. త్వరగా రాసుకోవాలి. హ్యావ్ యూ కాపీడ్? Now, how do you conclude with these c values? What do you conclude? Chappandi.
There are 2 points of inflection, sir.
That means c values 2.55 and 1.42. Even sir, conclusion.
They lie between A and B.
Very good. C is equal to 2.55, 1.42. Lie between 1 and 3. అవునా కదా? మన డొమైన్ ఏంటమ్మా? 1, 3 కదా. మనకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్స్ ఏంటి? 2.5, 1.4. బోత్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ లై బిట్వీన్ 1 and 3. అవునా? సో రోల్స్ థీరం సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ వెరిఫైడ్. ఏం రాస్తారు? రోల్స్ థీరం సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ వెరిఫైడ్. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. తొందర రాసుకోండి. These are the main advantages for compounding of plastics. What are the examples? Resin, plasticizer, fillers, and pigments, stabilizer. So, what is the resin? Ima, raskunnara? What is the plasticizers? What is the fillers? What is the and the examples are we already discussed. Have you copied? What is the plasticizer? Yes, sir. So what we finally conclude is the polynomial f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, starting from 1 and ending at b is like 1.42 is here, 1.42 and 2.55 is here. Here the curve will have a tangent parallel to x-axis, and here also the curve will have a tangent parallel to x-axis. That is what we conclude. Okay, f of x ki din degra we have two tangents at these two different numbers such that the tangents at these points are parallel to x-axis. That is what we conclude. How many of you really understood the problem? Please raise your hands. ఎంతమందికి అర్థమైంది? హ్యాండ్స్ రైజ్ చేయండి. ఎంతమందికి అర్థమైంది? Okay, now I'll give a problem. We have to solve that. All of you copy this question quick. What is the monomer? Vinyl chloride. Second reaction of the vinyl chloride. What is the reaction for vinyl? What is the structure of vinyl chloride? CH+1CCl. Okay? Vinyl chloride first reaction. Is it visible? Number 50, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
All of you copy this question quick. We have only 5 minutes. We'll solve this and we'll close. Tomorrow I'll make you practice one problem. With that, Rolle's theorem will be complete. Show that the Rolle's theorem is applicable for function f of x is equal to log x square plus ab divided by x into a plus b. Basically, non-repeating is Cl. Basically, non-repeating is Cl. At 60 to 80 degrees, it gives vinyl chloride. So, okay, have you copied? Ima raskunara, tundar raskundi, ma time ayipotundi. So, polyvinyl chloride. Have you copied? N number, there is n types of polyvinyl chloride. Show that the Rolle's theorem is applicable for the function log of x square plus ab by x into a plus b in the interval closing interval a comma b where a is positive, b is positive. How many of you copied? Please raise your hands or type in the chat box. Copied. Okay. Raskunara. Okay. Now I am moving to the whiteboard where we will solve it very fast. Tondaraga. Nato paatu fast ga raskondi. What is the reaction? Chapani, what is f of x? Chapali, what is f of x? Log of
X square plus AB by x into a plus b.
Now, formula log m by n. Ever cheptaru? Log m by n.
N by m, sir.
N into derivative of m.
What is this? What nonsense are you telling? Log m by n. I'm not
Log
asking
m minus log n.
log m minus log n. Ardhavenda? Log m minus log n. So then f of x becomes, according to that formula, what happens?
X square plus ab minus
Log of x
minus log of x into a plus b.
Okay. Log m by n, log m minus log n, log numerator minus log denominator. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. F of x derivative f dash x. Pro. Ever cheptaru? Boys or girls? Log of x square plus ab derivative.
1 by x square plus ab into 2x.
1 by x square plus ab into 2x. Log of x into a plus b derivative.
1 by x into a plus b.
A plus b
into a plus b, sir.
ఎందుకు ఒకసారి రీజన్ రాద్దాం. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. చెప్పండి, ఇది x అనుకోండి. Log x డెరివేటివ్ చెప్పాలి. Log x డెరివేటివ్
1 by x.
సో చూడండి, log x డెరివేటివ్ 1 by x. చైన్ రూల్ x స్క్వేర్ డెరివేటివ్. చైన్ రూల్ x స్క్వేర్ డెరివేటివ్
2x, sir.
2x. Okay. Log x derivative 1 by x, x square derivative 2x, constant derivative 0. Log x derivative 1 by x, x derivative 1 into constant. Ardhainda? A plus b. What happens to a plus b? Cancelled. Okay. Please copy this fast. త్వరగా రాసుకోండి. Copy? Copied or not? త్వరగా రాసుకోవాలి మీరు. ఓకే. సో what is f dash x? Tell me what is f dash x? Tell me. చెప్పాలి. f dash x ఎంత వచ్చిందయా?
x square minus ab by x into x square plus ab.
2x by x square plus ab minus 1 by x. అంతే కదా? అంతేనా కాదా? f dash a ఎంత? Sorry, this is f dash x. Okay, now f of a. Tell me f of a.
1 sir.
చెప్పండి. f of a సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. log of
a square plus ab by
చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఒకసారి. f of a ఎంత?
log of a square plus ab by
a square plus ab by
a
A
into
into
a
A
plus b.
plus B.
అవునా? log of a కామన్ తీస్తే a into a plus b by a into a plus b. Do you agree or not?
Yes sir.
a into a plus b cancelled. That is log 1 ఎంత?
0.
log e base e
1.
log mn
M plus
log m plus log m plus
log
log
m
n sir.
log m by n
log m minus
log M minus log N.
log 1.
0.
ఓకే, సో కాపీ దిస్ ఫాస్ట్. త్వరగా రాసుకోండి, త్వరగా రాసుకోవాలి. హ్యావ్ యూ కాపీడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? త్వరగా రాసుకున్నాము ప్లీజ్. ప్లీజ్, టైమ్ ఇస్ రన్నింగ్ అవుట్. ఓకే, రైట్. ఐఎమ్ మూవింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. f of b. Tell me f of b fast. చెప్పాలి గర్ల్స్, ఈసారి గర్ల్స్ చెప్పాలి. చెప్పండి.
B square plus AB by
వెరీ గుడ్.
B
b
into
square
A
plus
plus B.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ కామన్? న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఏం కామన్ ఉంది చెప్పండి.
B sir.
సో b into a plus b by b into a plus b, both are cancelled. What is left? Tell me fast, what is left?
Log 1.
log 1 means
1
0. So f of a is equal to f of b, right? Therefore Rolle's conditions are, ఏం రాయాలి? Rolle's conditions are
Satisfied.
satisfied. Rolle's conditions are satisfied. Copy it fast, copy it fast. త్వరగా కాపీ చేశారా? ప్లీజ్ కాపీ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. రాసుకున్నారా? No problem. I'll share the solution through PPT. Copy fast. Okay. Now, next. F dash C is equal to 0. చెప్పాలి, ఎవరు చెప్తారు ఫాస్ట్? F dash C ఎంత?
2x
C square
plus AB.
2c square by
C square plus AB
c square plus ab minus 1 by
1 by C.
1 by c is equal to 0, right? Cross multiplication LCM ఎవరు చెప్తారు? Cross multiplication LCM
c square minus ab by c into c
2c
square plus
square
AB.
minus c square minus ab by c into c square plus ab is equal to 0. అర్థమైందా కాలేదా? చూడండి, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ LCM means this into this, this into this. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. c square minus ab by c into c square plus ab is equal to 0. అంటే c square minus ab is equal to 0. c square is equal to ab. Then what is c? Tell me first, what is c? చెప్పాలి. c ఎంత?
root AB.
స్టెప్ అర్థమైంది? ఒకసారి చూడండి. f dash c is equal to 0. LCM, we have taken LCM. Okay, c square minus ab by c into c square plus ab is equal to 0. Again, c square minus ab is equal to 0. c square is equal to ab. c is equal to root ab. అర్థమైందా? కాపీ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్, త్వరగా. Now, c is equal to root ab implies c is dash of a and b. ఎవరు చెప్తారు? ఏమైనా c is equal to root ab అంటే c is dash of a and b.
Geometric mean sir.
Very good, very good. Number 50, geometric mean. Root of ab అంటే c is geometric mean of ab. Implies c lies between
A and B, sir.
A and B. Arithmetic mean lies between A and B. Geometry mean lies between A and B. Harmonic mean lies between all the means lies between A and B. That is why C lies between B implies Rolle's theorem verified. Rolle's verified. Fastly copy it. Tondra rasko. Raskanara. Don't be worried. I'll share the PPT through WhatsApp. Okay. You can copy it. Whatever you missed. Miriam rasko pena rasko. Okay. Okay, na?